If you slip on rainwater inside a California store, you can absolutely file an injury claim. Premises liability means that businesses must keep floors safe, even on rainy days, by cleaning up water and placing wet floor signs. If they don't and you get hurt, they can be held responsible. Stores may try to dodge responsibility or question the seriousness of your injuries. That's why evidence is key. If possible, you should take photos of the puddle, your injuries, and any warning signs. Get witness contact info and report the fall to a manager. And even if you feel fine, see a doctor. Some injuries might take time to appear, and carefully save your medical records. If you or someone you know has been injured in a slip and fall accident, Maison Law is here to help. The experienced personal injury attorneys at Maison Law in California will help you recover fair compensation by gathering critical evidence, building a strong case, and holding the responsible parties accountable. Contact Maison Law today for a free consultation and case assessment.